Hello?
Yes po.
Hi, good morning.
Yes po, good morning.
Alam mo, ang hirap mo kausap.
Sorry po, medyo matagal lang talaga.
Oo,
Nahirapan po ako mag-unlock ng profile.
ang hirap. Ang daming nangyari. Muntik na akong mamigay ng taga 1K sa mga nanonood. Sobrang bad trip ako. Pero pangit pala ako mabad trip. Namigay akong pera, wag na lang pala.
Na po pala, tinagalan ko pa.
Wag na, okay na yun. Ito naman. Ipapahamak mo pa talaga ako sa pera. What's your name?
Just call me MJ po.
Ano po?
MJ.
MJ. Taga saan si MJ?
Central Luzon.
Ang laki-laki ng Central Luzon. Taga saan ka?
Pampanga po.
Charot-charot ka. Pampanga. Bulacan, Pampanga, Tarlac. Nueva Ecija.
Pampanga.
Pampanga. Anyway, ilang taong ka na?
33.
33.
Yes po.
Okay. Ang ginagawa sa buhay?
Housewife.
Housewife. Yan. Ilan na anak mo?
Wala pa po.
Bagong housewife ka lang.
Hindi po. Mag-8 years na.
Matagal na rin.
Yes po.
Ano yan? Plano nyo talaga na hindi mo na mag-baby?
Hindi po. Yung first 2 years, plan mo nang mag-settle ng yung mas prepared ka na. Pero yung the next years, nagsistruggle po.
Naka-loudspeaker ka ba?
Yes po.
Handheld lang tayo.
Okay po. Okay na po. Yes po.
Yan. Tapos, nanonood ka ba ng TikTok?
Yes po.
Focus ka sa akin, patayin mo yan.
Okay po.
Kasi madidistract ka because people will comment. I don't want you to read anything.
Okay
I
po.
want you to pay attention to me.
Sige po.
Okay? Ang dami ko instruction. Tapos mamaya, padala ko yung QR code ng Gcash ko. Padala ka na rin ng 1.5. Hindi ka na naka-loudspeaker?
Hindi na po.
Sige. What do you do? Just, you stay at home lang? Ganun?
Yes po. Stay at home lang.
That's your decision?
No.
Okay. Decision na ni Mister.
Yes po.
You okay with that decision?
Minsan, kaya lang po, sometimes, because I think I could be more.
Okay.
But, I submit na lang.
Well, ano naman yan eh. Yan naman ay decision mo naman. So, if you want to submit, then that's part of being your wife. Decision mo naman yun.
Yes po.
Okay. Alright, sige. Anong pag-uusapan natin?
Medyo nagsistruggle po ako as of the moment.
Bakit?
Kasi, hindi ko alam kasi na mag-uumpisa. Pero, my relationship with my husband is very, very good.
Okay.
I'm just confused. Kasi po, I grew up in a broken family. Wala po ako, either of my parents, ang I grew up with.
Wala okay.
Hindi po ako, broken family, pero po, lumaki ako sa lola ko sa father side.
Okay.
And then, after elementary, my lola has to go to the US. So, naiwan po ako doon sa stepmother ko.
Okay.
Which happened to be, sumunod din siya sa daddy ko abroad.
Okay.
So, naiwan po ako sa mga tao or with people na I'm not blood related.
Kanino?
Doon po sa family ng stepmother ko.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, yung stay ko doon, is not so bad naman, pero it also not so good.
Kumbaga, it could have been better kung mag-anak sana.
Yes po. Kaya lang po wala akong choice nun eh.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Mhm.
Yung mom mo nasaan nun?
Nasa Manila, may sarili din po siyang family.
Why can't you be with her?
She can't cater me anymore.
Why? Ikaw ba firstborn niya?
No po.
Mm, Okay.
Hindi po ako. Pero, bale, pang second family ako. Ngayon yung mom ko, may third family na siya. So,
Okay.
yeah.
That's a little
And
bit
then,
unfortunate, no?
yeah. But I don't see it that way. Maybe everything happens for a reason. That is why, na-meet ko po yung tao na nagparamdam sa akin na how it is to be a daughter.
And that is?
Hindi ko po siya kaano-ano.
Hmm.
Bale, after high school, dahil nag-separate na din po yung daddy ko sa stepmother ko,
Okay.
so kailangan ko na pong umalis sa lugar na yon.
Oh.
Which happens na dito ko napalipat sa tao na nag-alaga sa akin.
Sino naman yun?
Nakilala lang po while I was there sa lugar ng stepmother ko. She's widow at wala din pong anak. So she took me and made me her own.
Ilang taong ka nun?
I think I was 16.
Okay.
And then, after that po, kailangan ko ring umalis sa kanya kasi actually wala po siyang anak pero meron siyang adopted son.
Oh.
Yes.
You were 16.
So,
yung adopted son niya, ilang taon nun?
Same age po kami.
How long did you stay with them?
4 years.
And you had to go?
Yes po. I need to leave
Bakit?
kasi I needed to work na. At hindi din po naging okay yung relationship ko with her son.
Okay.
Yeah, lalaki po yung anak niya.
What do you mean hindi naging okay? How do you mean that?
Kasi meron siyang like gusto which I can't naman give. I mean, hindi po siya like, hindi that thing. It's not that thing. It's just that siguro yung romantic relationship, ganon.
So niligawan ka?
Yes po. Ang kaso din kasi yung nanay niya really wants me to be with her son.
Oh, parang pinag-match kayo.
Yes po.
Unfortunately, hindi mo kayang gustuhin.
Nung una okay naman sana, kaya lang po dahil siguro lumaki po ako ng broken family, parang ayoko kasi baka pilit lang.
Yeah, good call. Good call.
At feeling ko baka yung son napipilitan lang din. Kasi we're both still young.
That's good. Medyo sensible ka kahit bata ka pa, no?
Kasi po, sa hirap ng dinaanan ko, parang I cannot afford to make mistakes. Kasi alam ko at the end of the day, ako din po talaga yung magsasuffer. And I don't wanna add anymore to my suffering.
That's what hardships can do to us, eh. We
Yes,
cherish yung mga simpleng comforts in life.
Yes, totoo po yun.
Yeah. We are too careful.
Yeah, and I can say I'm very, very careful. Kaya lang po kasi yung time ko with them was also, I can say the best days when I'm still growing up. Kasi doon ko po yung naranasan na maging anak. Kung paano alagaan. Kaya yung tao po na yun, nagkahiwalay po kasi kami after I left sa kanila.
Naputol yung
Like,
communication.
yes po. Hanggang sa nag-asawa na po ako. Like, totally walang communication. Pero, yung anak po, nagkakausap kami. Noon. Nung time na hindi ko nakakausap yung nanay niya. Ako naman po nakikipag-usap lang only because gusto kong makausap yung nanay niya. Kaya lang kasi nasa abroad din po siya nun.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just recently, actually last year po yun, nung nagkaroon ako or nahanap ko sa social media yung nanay niya.
Yung nag-adapt
So,
sa'yo?
sa ngayon po,
Yung nag-adapt sa'yo
yes po.
originally? Okay.
Yes po. So, ngayon, kasi after nung umalis ako sa kanila, I work, nakapag-asawa, and then okay naman po lahat. Like, nasanay ako dun sa buhay na okay, as in very, very okay po kami. My husband is a very, very good provider.
Okay.
At kumbaga yung buhay ko, before ko ulit na-meet yung nag-alaga sa akin, is okay lang, parang chill lang.
Okay.
So ngayon po, last year nga, na-meet ko ulit siya. Navivisit ko siya. Kasi medyo malayo eh. I'm north, they're south.
Okay.
So, pinapayagan naman po ako ng husband ko na
Nakakausap mo pa
pupunta.
yung used to be brother, quote unquote. May
Yes
asawa
po.
na
Pero
yun?
still, may asawa na siya, pero still, yung flirting nandun pa din.
Okay.
And then, yun po, kaya po ako tumawag kasi I find it unfair. Hindi ko po alam. I am ready to accept kung ano po yung i-advise niyo sa akin. Yun nga, since po nung na-meet ko ulit, kumbaga nag-reconnect ulit kami nung nag-alaga po sa akin, nag-iba yung buhay ko.
How do you mean?
May extra joy. I feel extra.
So kumbaga there's a part,
Someone's caring for you again.
there's a part of you that got fulfilled again.
Yes. There's a part of me where naramdaman kong I'm a daughter again.
Okay.
Pero nun po palang time, para lang po mas maintindihan, nung po palang time na disconnect ako with them at bago ako mag-asawa, may time na I lived with my mom.
So you had the chance to stay, kasi parang parang that's later in life na, no?
Yes po. Siguro mga early 20s, ganyan.
How were you and your mom?
We're like casual.
I have a question.
Ganun po.
Did she
Okay
ever afford the chance to apologize to you?
No.
Okay,
No po.
next question. Did she ever at the very least acknowledged that she was an absentee mom to you?
No.
Did you make an attempt to tell her?
I tried. Pero may time po kasi na isang beses magkasama kami and I was drinking, like, yung casual drink with my other cousins and she's there. She's pretending to be asleep but I don't think she is. So, mga parinig lang po. Mga parinig lang na,
No, I mean in a formal setting, like,
no po.
well,
Maybe I'm
bago
afraid.
bago tayo tumuloy sa usapan na to, maybe
Okay
baka
po.
malampasan natin.
Mhm.
I don't know when, but please afford the chance to tell her.
She
Maybe soon.
He's gone already.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear.
Mhm.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yes po, 6 years ago.
You never got the chance to tell her?
No.
Oh my God, that breaks my heart.
Alam niyo po ba yung feeling na may mga times na, kasi I also have a sister, a younger sister. May chance na kapag nagpupunta ako sa bahay niya, magkakatabi lang kami natutulog. And I wanted to hug her. Kasi I just want to know how it feels. Pero wala akong courage to do that kasi baka I'm afraid na tanggalin niya yung kamay ko while I'm hugging her. Ganun po.
Well, hindi naman kita masisi kasi you did not develop that bond.
Mhm. Yes
No?
po. Yeah, pero nung bata po kasi ako, I'm living with her naman. Nagkahiwalay lang kami, mga 6 years old ako. At sa kanya po ako habol nun.
Well,
Kaya lang,
pag ganong edad
binitawan niya
talaga,
din talaga ako.
pag ganong edad talaga, instinctively nanay, no?
Yes po.
Well, generally, not all.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ayun po. And then, yun lang po yung sana gusto kong sabihin. In between doon sa nag-disconnect ako, doon sa nag-alaga sa akin, may chance na nagkakasama kami ng mommy ko. Pero hindi pa rin nagawa na maging deep yung relationship namin until yun po, kinuha na siya ni Lord. So yeah. And then, so eto na nga, last year.
Okay.
Hello po?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I'm listening.
So last year po, yun, nag-reconnect ako with, I used to call her mom na din. Naging, yun nga po, yung feeling ko kasi something missing pa rin sa akin nung mga times na kahit I'm happy already sa buhay ko, pero nung dumating po ulit siya, feeling ko po kasi hindi pa ako nagsawa doon sa pagiging anak eh.
Okay.
And then, ngayon, madalas po, parang nire-require niya na ako na every 2 months magpunta ako sa kanya, ganyan. She's old, by the way. She's already 80.
Oh, she's old.
Yes po. 78. Yeah. So, ngayon po, medyo naguguluhan ako kasi feeling ko ang unfair ko with my husband. Kasi I can't do na my obligation. Parang nagkukulang na po ako.
Bakit naman?
Kasi feeling ko mas na-enjoy ko na yung pagiging anak
No, those are
kaysa sa pagiging asawa.
two different things.
Yes po, I know po.
Those are not the same. They don't fall in the same spectrum. You cannot compare the two.
Yes po. Kasi every time, kunyari po, magvivisit ako sa kanya, kunyari, ang usapan, magsistay lang ako for like 3 days, ganyan. Minsan, inaabot ako ng 1 week. Ganun po. Kasi sobrang enjoy ko talaga. Also, sometimes, I'm spending more than what I should have spent nang hindi alam ng husband ko. Parang ganun po. So, feeling ko ngayon, nagigilty po ako. Because eventually, Papa Jackson, ang iniisip ko, darating din naman po kasi talaga yung time kung saan makakat talaga ulit yung relationship ko with my mom na tinatawag ngayon. Kumbaga sa ngayon, ini-enjoy ko lang. Kasi po, yung
May tanong ako
anak
sa'yo.
niya. Okay po.
I'm trying to understand, where is the guilt coming from?
Siguro kasi sometimes I'm lying
About what?
just so I can visit her
So why not tell the
or yun
truth?
nga.
I mean, why not tell the truth? Wouldn't that be easier?
Yes, pero po kasi I don't want to offend him po.
Why would you assume that he will be offended?
Hindi ko rin po alam kung bakit ganun yung nararamdaman ko.
No, that
Kasi
is you assuming yung kanya magiging reaction, but that's not his reaction. We don't know that.
Kasi siya, my husband po is very, very kind husband.
Yeah, but we
He
don't.
is.
No. Yeah, but we don't know how he's going to react. You assume that, and you're reacting
Yes
based
po.
on your assumption. That's not fair.
Yes po. Kasi ang alam ko po, kunyari magpapaalam naman ako, ganyan, papayag po siya. He never
Okay.
said no to me.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya lang po minsan, kunyari po, I will tell him na, can I buy this? Kunyari po sa isang bagay. Can I buy this? Sasabihin niya, sure. Pero yung action after that says otherwise.
No, that's your
Like,
assumption.
he'll just stay silent.
That's your assumption.
No, ganun po talaga yung nangyayari.
Yeah, but you can ask, why are you silent? Because right now,
I do ask.
anong sinasabi niya sa'yo?
I ask, nagalit ka ba because I spend more? Or kahit binili ko to? Sabi niya naman po, hindi.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Mm.
Pero very blank yung face.
Oh my God, you got an answer. It's a very blunt answer.
Mhm.
And you interpret otherwise, the exact opposite?
Mm.
Ain't that a little bit stupid?
Yeah.
Kasi iniisip ko ngayon, why is there a need for you to conceal yung dahilan that you want to be with your mom?
Mhm.
Hindi ko nakikita
Alam
yung
niya
logic.
naman po, kasi nagkakausap
Hindi
po
yun ang
sila.
point ko. Ang point ko, bakit kailangan ka magsinungaling? But walang reason eh.
Kasi I wanna be with her.
Yun nga.
ayoko-
Hindi, no, hindi yun ang point ko. Why wouldn't you tell the truth? Kung ba na gusto mo makasama yung nag-ampon sa'yo?
Kasi po, siguro ang nararamdaman ko lang po kasi talaga is, baka yun, assumption na naman. Kasi iniisip po niya na, may time po kasi na he don't want me to go. Why are you going there? Wala namang occasion. So, kumbaga, ang sa sarili ko po, I make an excuse para makaalis.
But
Para
that's
makapunta.
but that's a legitimate question. Why are you going there? There's no occasion. It's a question. Why would you interpret it otherwise?
Maybe I just wanna be with her po talaga. Ganun
Yeah,
lang.
no, hindi. Okay, wag mo kong ligawin. That's not the question.
Okay.
Tinanong ka lang. Ba't ka pupunta? Walang okasyon. Hindi ka pinipigilan. Tinatanong ka lang.
Yes, yung time po na yun, hindi ako nagpunta.
Bakit
Ang
nga hindi
sinabi
ka,
ko po sa kanya,
bakit nga hindi ka sumagot?
sumagot po ako. Ang sabi ko po, wala lang. I just think I wanted to see her.
Okay.
Ayun lang po. And then ang sabi niya, just don't go muna this time. So sabi ko po, okay.
Okay. I have a
So, hindi
question.
po ako nagpunta.
Why wouldn't you bring your husband along?
Nakakapunta po siya. Honestly, nung Christmas din po kami nag-Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Pero yung mga times po kasi na nagpapaalam ako, kasi every 2 months nga po.
Well, of course, you have
Minsan
to
every after 3 months.
of course you have to make a compromise. Since you are married, may asawa ka, you cannot just leave kung kailan mo gusto. You have to plan ahead.
Yes po. Doon po talaga ako guilty.
Diba? I think what you're
Yes.
telling me now is that ora-orada ka magplano.
Actually, hindi naman po. Minsan, a month before pa, sinasabi ko na po sa kanya.
So why
Like,
don't you ask him?
that time, nung
Kailan ako
time
pwede
na-
pumunta? That time?
Nung time po na hindi niya ako pinayagan, like a month before that, nagsabi na ako, can I go there? Can I visit her? Sabi niya, why? Sabi ko, wala naman. I just wanted to see her. Sabi niya, anong okasyon doon? Wala. Gusto ko lang siya makasama. Kasi yung mom ko po na yon is alone sa bahay. As in, wala siyang kasama. Tapos, yun po, sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko lang siyang makita. Gusto ko lang siyang ma-visit, ganyan. O, kung kumusta na siya, ganyan. Tapos, sabi niya nung una, sabi niya, bahala na. Ganyan po yung lagi niya naman sinasagot, bahala na. So, nakakausap mo naman siya video call. And then, I think a week before, nung plan ko na pagpunta, doon niya naman sinabi na, usap na lang kayo sa video call, wala naman okasyon, next time na lang. So, it's fine with me po. Siyempre, priorities, and he's my priority. So, hindi po ako nagpunta. Okay naman po yun.
Okay.
Mhm.
Bakit tayo magkausap ngayon?
Sa ngayon nga po, ganito kasi yung nafe-feel ko. Alam kong darating yung time po na makakat ulit yung communication ko with my mom.
Yeah, of course. Because she will leave the world before us. She's old.
No po. I mean, even before that. Kasi when his son, or when his son's family ay umuwi, feeling ko hindi na ako makaka-visit.
Okay.
Kasi hindi po alam nung wife, nung son niya, that I exist.
Okay.
So, yun po, ganun. Ang tanong ko po sana
Did you have to explain yourself to the wife?
Hindi po kasi never naman kami nag-usap. Never kaming nagkita.
So
I just know her.
No, so why is that your problem then?
Kasi, yung mom naman po ang nagsasabi na she doesn't know that I exist. At kailangan hindi na malaman. So, inisip ko po ngayon, what if I cut it na talaga? Nahihirapan po kasi talaga akong mag-let go. Like, kapag napapag-usapan naman po namin yun, like I'm asking her na sa totoo lang po, nahihirapan ako. Parang I cannot afford to cut communications with you as of the moment. Kasi na-enjoy ko po talaga yung meron ulit nanay na may nagre-remind na kahit po yung husband ko naman nire-remind niya na kailangan healthy living, yung mga ganun po. Yung usual na alaga ng ina sa mga anak, ganun po. And then kapag napupag-usapan po namin yon na uuwi nga yung anak niya, sabi niya, naku, kailangan hindi malaman, ganyan. So, na-hurt po ako. Ang alam ko, ang selfish ko po dun sa part.
No, you're not.
Pero
You're not selfish.
Pero you know what po, Papa
Hindi,
Jackson?
wait lang, hindi ka selfish doon. That's not actually fair sa'yo. Yeah.
Ang ano ko po, na-hurt po ako talaga sa ganun. Pero you know what she makes me feel is I am more than her
but
daughter-in-law.
Yeah. You're not even supposed to be in competition with anybody.
Ayun na nga po. Yun talaga. Thank you po sa right word. I think I'm competing.
No, she makes you compete. I'm sorry. I know that she's old and you look up to her like your mom, but she makes you compete. I mean, if you want you to be a daughter, there should be no attached condition to it.
Yeah. So, ngayon po
Hindi
kasi
kaya-
ganun talaga yung
Hindi kaya yan ang
nararamdaman ko.
dahilan ng mister mo kung bakit ayaw kanya papuntahin doon?
Hindi niya naman po alam eh.
Why not tell her? Why not tell him then?
Isang beses lang naman po yung time na ayaw niya akong papuntahin. I think it was around August pa, ganyan.
Okay, I have a scenario.
Okay po.
Kunyari lang to,
Mhm.
mamatay siya.
Who?
Yung mom mo. She's old.
Okay po.
What if she passes? You cannot go?
I will.
You don't exist. Remember?
But
Hmm.
I think I still go. I will still go. Kasi I'm very close naman po with her siblings.
Hindi yun ang point ko eh. But the wife of your used to be brother, muntik na nireto sa'yo, the wife does not know that you exist. So, paano ka pupunta?
Mali po ba kung i-assume ko ulit na ang pakiramdam ko, kukontakin ako nung husband niya
Hindi
para
nga.
magpunta?
Hindi nga yun ang point ko. So, pag nandun ka na at na-meet mo yung asawa, sino ka?
Maybe I will just tell I'm
Oh,
a friend.
so lie na
I don't
naman.
know. So,
Just one lie after the other.
sorry po, pero I really don't know.
Well, huwag ka mag-sorry sa akin. It's just, you know what? MJ, I understand you. I get where you're coming from. No? I understand that the decisions you're making now entails a lot of emptiness from childhood. I get that.
Yes.
I know. I am not apathetic sa nararamdaman mo. I get you. I feel sad and broken for you. But my point asking this is, wouldn't it be okay that you fix it now?
And how po?
I mean,
Kasi ang
tell your mom that you wanna be there.
Kasi ang nakikita ko lang pong dahilan, ang nakikita ko na lang po talagang, para matapos po is, why don't we just cut the relationship again?
I mean, if you're
Kasi I
okay.
hate the feeling every time na mabibring up yung ganun, na baka hindi na ako makavisit. Tapos po kasi yung daughter-in-law niya, may anak sa una, ganyan po.
No, we don't need to talk about that.
Yeah, what I mean po is kahit wala pa yung...
No, teka nga muna.
Okay po.
Why is there a need for you to hide from the daughter-in-law?
Hindi ko po alam eh.
Ask her. Ask your mom.
Kasi,
I'm sure you know the answer. You're not telling me.
okay. Ang alam po kasi, yun nga, dahil tumira ako sa kanila, kumbaga hindi na-explain na meron akong isang inalagaan.
But you existed before they were together.
Yes po.
So why is there a need for you to hide? Make me understand. I could be wrong for all we know. Make me understand. Why is there a need for you to hide?
Okay. Kasi there was this time
Napaputol-putol ka.
husband is always drunk.
Hello?
Yes po.
Why is there a need for you to hide?
Ayan po. There was one time that his husband is always drunk. And then, nandito pa po sila sa Philippines noon. COVID. Exact time. Ngayon, nagkasakit po siya, yung mom. At ako po, yung tinatawagan ng husband. Tapos, alam ko, nagkaroon sila ng siguro arguments, ganyan. Kung sinong tinatawagan. Kasi, nung mga time nga po na yun, even though I am not in communication with the mom, very siguro mga once a year, ganyan, like po, kapag may kailangan, the husband is calling me. So, I help. So, ganun po.
So ano masama doon?
Pinagselosan ako nung hindi niya ako kilala. Hindi niya alam ang itsura ko. Wala po siyang idea kung sino ako.
No, my point is, Ano ang naging basihan? Bakit ka pagseselosan?
Kasi nga po, yung mga time na yun, ako ang laging tinatawagan nung husband.
Oh, kung tinatawagan ka lang naman for para mag-alaga, ba't ka pagseselosan?
Not really mag-alaga kasi hindi naman po ako nakapunta sa kanila. Hindi po ako sure dito eh. Kaya lang po kasi, ang sinasabi is, I am the totga of the husband.
Who said that?
Yung husband.
He told his wife?
Yes.
How did you know?
His mom told me.
So so kung sinabi pala, so why would they assume or why would they poise you as someone who doesn't exist when clearly the girl knows about you?
Ang ano nga po, hindi alam na ako na to. Hindi alam po na nagpupunta ako doon. Hindi alam na yung husband alam. Na kasi minsan kapag nandun po ako,
Do you realize, MJ, that
tumatawag siya sa nanay niya.
do you realize that a lot of things in your story doesn't add up?
Kasi sa totoo lang, kahit po ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit kailangan
Sige, ikakwento ko po sa iyo yung kwento mo.
itago ako.
Ikakwento
Bakit kailangan?
Wait lang po, ikakwento ko sa iyo yung kwento mo. I understand, MJ, that the circumstances why you ended up doon sa bahay ng tinuring mo nanay, it wasn't much of your choice. Diba? But maybe along the way, nung tumira ka doon ng 4 na taon, you were 20 when you left, turning 21. Binibilang ko eh. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes po.
You moved into your real mom ng time na yan eh. So, I understand. I get the story. So, I know and I understand that it wasn't much of your control kung bakit ka nauwi doon. Ang sabi mo sa amin is that the mom wanted you to be with with her adopted son, and the guy likes you as well. You said you were not able to offer anything back. Hindi mo trip yung lalaki. Period. You left. Tama?
Yes po. Yes po.
Kasi number 1, sabi mo sa akin kanina, hindi mo naman type yung lalaki. Number 2, iniisip mo na baka yung lalaki na pipilitan din. So nothing ever tangible happened. This is a very negligible part of any history between the three of you. Amongst the three of you. Negligible to. Hindi naman naging kayo eh.
Yes po, hindi po.
It wasn't serious at any point. Tama?
Yes po.
So why would you be concealed or hidden dun sa asawa niya when you were never an official part of the guy's past?
Kasi nga po, there was this time daw na there was a time na yung guy drunk. COVID po yun. Na may sakit yung nanay niya. Nakukwento ako.
Sa asawa niya?
Yes po, sa kanila.
So it's not true.
I don't know if it's directly sa asawa o naririnig nung asawa.
So hindi totoo ang hindi alam ng babae that you exist. She knows you exist.
Yeah.
So you,
sa ngayon po hindi alam.
So you, your mom, and the husband is lying to the wife.
Yes. Ganun po.
You are complicit to the act of lying. You know what's that called? That's deceit.
Yeah.
Panlilin lang ang tawag dyan.
Yes po. Yeah. Pero kasi naman po talaga ang sa akin naman po kasi, I have nothing to do with her son with her son's family. I have nothing to do with that.
I believe you. But it's not fair na itatago ka nila. So ano yun? Okay, let me try to put this into a different context. Ready?
Mhm.
Ano yun? Anak ka lang pag kailangan ka magsilbi?
Ganun po talaga yung nararamdaman ko. It's why I called and asked na kailangan po ba i-stop ko na lang ulit yung
Yes.
communication, yung relationship.
Yes.
So, yeah.
You are not a daughter to her. She
Mhm.
loves you. I know that. She
I know
adopted you.
that too.
Yeah. But a daughter, I don't believe.
Kasi po talaga, ang pinangahawakan ko right now is yung feeling. Siguro kasi talaga, Papa Jack, nasasabi ko na hindi pa po talaga ako graduate dun sa feeling na anak ako, na daughter ako. Kaya po may mga times when yung pag-uusap, pag nabobrought up po yung uuwi yung anak niya, uuwi yung family nila,
So parang they're
I'll
giving
be
you
out of the picture.
they're giving you a hint na okay, pauwi na ha. So anytime be prepared that you will.
Alam ko this year daw, parang October of this year, ganyan. And then after nun, kapag so siguro pag umalis ulit, ganyan. Pero feeling ko hindi na po pwede kasi parang yung daughter, yung anak nila, yung anak, bali apo niya, iiwanan na po sa kanya. So, yun talaga. I think hindi na talaga pwede. So, parang sa ngayon po kasi talaga, lalo pong lumalalim yung relationship namin. Lalong nagiging strong yung bond namin as a mom and daughter.
Well.
So, thinking po talaga na dadating ulit kami sa time na kailangan hindi na ulit mag-usap, parang nasasaktan po ako.
Of course.
Mm-mm.
Of course.
So, gusto ko po sanang sabihin, baka pwede kong ihilingin na why don't we just tell your son's wife about me? Besides, wala naman kasi talagang meron nung mga time na yun. I am married. I am very, very happily married. I think they are too.
I have a question.
Okay po.
Do you even think it's fair for you to insist your place in their lives?
Iyan na nga po. Feeling ko hindi rin. Parang
sinagot mo.
pinipilit ko na lang
Sinagot mo yan ha? Ikaw sumagot yan.
Yes po. Actually, hindi sa nararamdaman. It's just that alam ko sa sarili ko na ipinipilit ko na lang din just so I can feel na may bukod sa asawa ko. May pamilya ako.
MJ.
Okay po.
I want to talk to you.
Mhm.
Ready?
Yes po.
Alam mo, pinapakinggan kita. Nadudurog yung puso ko kasi there's no version of advice I can give you that will bring you solace. Either way, you'll feel broken into a million pieces.
Ano po ulit? Sorry po.
Sabi ko, there's no version of advice I can give you that's going to vindicate you, no? Whatever kind of advice I can give you, it's going to break you into a million pieces. But let me talk to you. Ready?
Okay po.
I understand that our conversation ngayon is anchored dun sa idea that there's that very big void in your heart that you want to fulfill. There's a big hole in your heart.
Yeah.
That no matter what, even if you walk the length of the earth, you are only going to fulfill by being around your mom.
Yes po.
There's no substitute to that.
Mm-hmm.
But,
That's why,
hear me
can
out.
I just add?
Now, hear me out.
Okay po.
But,
Okay po.
I'm afraid that it might fill you up
Mm-hmm.
temporarily, but it's going to leave you a much bigger pain.
Exactly. It's why, Papa Jack, I appreciate my husband so much kasi alam niya po yung pinagdaanan ko. Alam niya na itong nararamdaman ko is because I'm really longing for a mother's love, which I never ever experienced, which I never ever felt. Kaya po pinapayagan niya ako kapag nagpupunta ako doon. Minsan, hinahatid niya po ako, sinusundo niya po ako. Very okay naman kasi ako po, yung pamilya na binubuo ko, binuksan ko dun sa so-called mom ko. Even may pamangkins kasi may mga pamangkin po ako na sa akin nakatira. We're very open. We're very, very open there. So, sabi ko nga po, na-appreciate ko sobra yung asawa ko kasi naiintindihan niya yung nararamdaman ko.
Asan yung mga kapatid tsaka magulang na asawa mo?
May sarili, yung mga kapatid po, yung iba may sarili-sarili na pong pamilya.
Yung nanay?
Nakaseparate po sila kasi may sarili silang bahay. May sarili po kaming bahay.
Yeah, but that's your mom too.
Yes po.
Okay.
Yeah, close din naman po ako sa mother-in-law ko. Kaya lang po kasi, syempre hindi ko naman po pwedeng hanapin yung affection na pwede niyang mabigay sa akin.
Pwede. You can develop that bond.
Mm-hmm.
Pwede yan. Maybe not as comparable, but pwede. It will not be a
Very close po ako.
It will not be a substitute, but it's still a presence of a mom.
Mm-hmm. Yes po.
Okay. MJ.
Yes po.
Your exact question. What is it?
Mm-hmm. Yun, should I just cut
Yes.
yung communication with her?
Yeah. Maybe you go there one last time and bid the proper goodbye.
Okay. Actually, sa totoo lang po, before Christmas, napag-usapan na namin to. Dahil, yun nga po, so parang sobrang nasaktan ako na, kasi feeling ko hindi po ako ready. Kasi nai-enjoy ko pa talaga yung sobrang babaw ng kaligayahan ko.
No, hindi sobrang babaw yan. I know it means the world to you.
Yeah. Sometimes, bibilhan niya lang ako ng terno na pantulog kasi nobody did that for me. Papa Jackson, nobody. Bibilhan niya ako ng ternong pantulog. I am 33 anymore and feeling ko nagiging immature ako kapag gano'n. Yung bibilhan niya ako ng sobrang simpleng bagay.
Yeah, I know.
It makes me so much happy, yung gano'n. Pero syempre naman po kasi, like sa mother-in-law ko, hindi naman po pwede gano'n. Yeah, so, gano'n siya. Kasi siya yung nag-alaga sa akin nung mga times na talagang wala naman akong naibalik sa kanya. Sabi ko nga, bakit niyo ako inalagaan? Free board and lodging nung mga time na kailangan ko ng mag-aalaga sa akin. Kasi nga po, sabi niya, wala din naman kasi siyang anak. So, na-appreciate ko din siya ng sobra. Kasi nga po, inalagaan niya ako. Hindi ako naging pariwara. Kasi nandyan siya.
Do you know why I said na putulin mo na lang?
Why po?
This is a little bit self-serving, but I'll explain to you. Because, MJ, you'd rather see the end of this within your control kaysa dumating yung time na kailangan maputol at wala kang magawa. You
Yun
better
nga
walk
po.
away from the relationship in your own terms rather
Kasi sabi
than,
ko nga po,
yeah.
I think I will never be ready sa ganun. Sabi ko, magsa-start ako ulit dun sa wala na. Kasi yung simple reminder na, good morning anak, mm, please do not eat unhealthy foods, yung mga ganyan. Kasi nga po, nung mga time na, kasi I and my husband are struggling to conceive. Nagpa, lahat po ng index, IUI, IVF, we did it, pero it all failed. Wala po kaming pinagsabihan nun kasi yung pressure sa people around us na, oh, you're already 7 years married, bakit wala pa kayong anak? Ganyan.
Hayaan mo lang yung mga atribida yung mga yan, no?
Oo nga po, pero
Alam mo, ang kukupal
sa
ng mga
kanya ko
yan, sobra.
sinasabi. Sa totoo lang po.
Oo.
So
Anong
yung
pakialam nyo,
pressure,
matres nyo ba yung matres ng ibang tao? Bakit nyo inaapura sila nga okay sila?
so yung pressure po talaga, ang bigat. Pero she's just there, reminding me na it's okay, let's just pray for it. If it's God's will, it will be given to you. At iba po yung pakiramdam na makarinig ng ganun. So, kaya nga nung una, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na I really cannot afford yet na makat yung relationship with her. I even told her na, may issue po ba? Bakit hindi na lang natin sabihin? Besides, wala naman akong pakialam sa kanila. I'm only going here sa bahay nyo para bisitahin kayo. All for you.
Alam mo, okay na often say that you have to explain your existence. Yeah.
Kasi Papa Jackson, sobrang importante po sa akin eh.
MJ,
Yes po.
I'm starting to wonder whether I'm the wrong person for you to call.
Mhm.
Maybe I'm the wrong person to give you the advice.
Mhm.
Because, ulitin ko, because I want you to walk away in your own terms.
Okay po.
I want you to walk away in your own terms. I want you to see the end of whatever you guys have, whatever you enjoy, nang ikaw yung gumawa ng desisyon. Kasi dumating yung time na, alam mo, say, this is very emotional to say, no? Iniingatan ko kasi dahil, well, maybe I just have to be honest with you.
Okay po.
All your life,
Mhm.
well, as I understood your story, all your life,
Yeah.
you have been dribbled around.
Yes po.
Most of your years, until you met itong tinuring mo nanay na to,
Mhm.
napagpasahan ka ng mga tao.
Opo.
Almost all of those years, you felt like nakikipisan ka.
Yes po. And I felt like I'm never wanted.
Yeah. That you are always in the comfort of another person's home in borrowed time.
Mhm.
Na hindi ka makarelax kasi alam mo na sooner or later, you will be shunned away.
Yes po.
And here you are again.
Yeah. Kasi very unexpected din naman po na magkakausap kami ulit.
That's why I want you to walk away in your own terms. Kasi sa lahat ng mga panahon pinaalis ka, wala kang choice.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Papa Jackson, I don't
Tama ba yung
even know.
pagkakaintindi? Tama ba yung pagkakaintindi ko na kwento mo? You had to go. Every time.
Yes po.
This time,
Kasi wala akong choice.
yeah, this time, MJ, simple lang yung wish ko bilang kaibigan mo. I just want you to walk away in your own terms.
Okay po.
Na hindi mo maramdaman na ikaw ulit yung pinaalis sa buhay nila at wala ka na nang magawa.
Mhm. Mhm.
For once,
Okay po.
for once, ikaw naman yung magdesisyon.
Mhm. Yes po, it's why tumawag po ako kasi naisip ko na din naman po talaga yun. Kasi nung wala naman kaming, nung hindi naman po kami nag-uusap, okay ako eh. Okay ako na kami lang ng asawa ko. Mga pamangkin kasama. Not until I felt more, yun nga po yung feeling na naging anak ulit ako.
Well, you cannot be a daughter because it's convenient.
Exactly.
Hindi dapat ganun. Kwento na ng buhay mo yan, huwag mo nang hayaan maulit pa. It breaks my heart that this is the kind of advice I give you. Because I know it's going to take away a big chunk of your soul. But this time, I want you to choose yourself.
Okay po.
I'm sorry. MJ.
It's okay po. Sanay po ako masaktan. Pero you know what? I'm very, very thankful pa rin naman po kasi nga I really, really have a loving husband that is very understanding. Kaya lang po ito kasing issue na to, I can't tell him kasi...
No, tell him. Please tell
Okay
him.
po. Okay, Papa Jackson. I will tell him.
He is the only family you've got.
Yeah.
Your husband is not your relative, but he's choosing to grow. But he's choosing to grow old with you. He deserves to know you. He deserves to know you.
Actually, alam niya naman po yung
No, tell him everything.
nangyayari.
Tell him everything you told me. It's not fair. I know more than your husband.
Yeah. Hindi ko lang talaga masabi is gusto ko na nga sanang i-stop kasi he calls him mommy too.
I have a wish for you.
Yes po.
Ready? Before tayo magtapos.
Okay po.
I wish that in the coming years, you get to build a home full of laughters and inclusivity, where every member of your soon-to-be family will never feel the way you felt growing up.
Yes po. It's why, kaya nga sabi ko, siguro kaya po hindi pa kami binibigyan ng anak is because baka hindi pa ako healed. Ang naisip ko din po, baka kaya pinagtagpo ulit kami ng Diyos para fully heal na ako. Yung feeling para maparamdam ko sa mga anak ko kung sakaling bibiyayaan po kami. Kung paano yung feeling ng maging anak.
I wish that for you. A home full of laughters and inclusivity. So you wouldn't, no member of your soon-to-be family will feel the way you felt growing up.
Yes po.
Siguro mga 2,500 kami ngayon na nanonood.
Mhm.
we are all wishing you that.
Thank you po. Kasi Papa Jackson, sa totoo lang nung times na we're undergoing IVF and it failed again the last time, I broke down. Kasi am I not deserving of a child? At the same time, I feel broken for my husband kasi it's the only thing. Yun na lang po yung kulang sa amin. Ngayon, ang nangyari po, nakahanap ako ng comfort through her.
Alam mo, MJ, it breaks me as your friend. I have never thought I'm going to give advice to someone to break a relationship apart sa nanay. So nasasaktan ako, but it's time to choose yourself.
Yes po. Parang kasi sabi ko, nahirapan lang siguro akong mag-let go kasi aside from my husband, she's also been my sandalan.
As you should. As he should.
Mhm.
MJ, if this could be the last chance, probably sana wag naman na, that you can send out a message to your mom. I wanna hear it.
Ano po ulit? Sorry po.
If this could be the last chance that you could say a message to your mom, I wanna hear it.
Okay po. Mommy, I thank you so much for caring for me kahit we're not blood related. You have no idea how much you healed me as a daughter na hindi naman sanay maging daughter. Thank you so much for making me feel like, as you call me, I am your princess. It breaks me na we need to just stop contacting each other. Kasi hindi ko talaga maintindihan din yung reason. Yung reason na ibinigay ninyo. Honestly, hindi ko alam po, Papa Jackson, kung paano makaka-move on but without her. But life goes on. Meron pa bang masasakit doon sa lumaki kang walang pamilya, nakatira sa ibang tao na hindi mo naman kaano-ano? I'm still young that time. And I didn't know how I managed to surpass all that. One thing for sure is I was able to manage. I was able to survive because of her. So maybe, just maybe, if ever na magkikita pa tayo one last time, I wish you nothing but happiness. Sana maging happy ka, Mom, na kung ano man yung mga bagay na lagi mo pinagpe-pray will be granted. And I wish you a healthier life. Well, I guess ang sasabihin ko lang po is until we meet again. Yun lang po.
Big hug to you, MJ.
Thank you, Papa Jackson.
I admire your heart. Totoo lang.
Mhm.
You get to become the person that you are after all the pains you've been through. That's rare.
I just don't wanna be that person na nasaktan na, tapos magkukos pa ng sakit sa iba.
Kapag natupad na yung wish ko sa'yo, ha? Sana makausap kita ulit. Huwag mong kalilimutan yung wish ko, ha?
Na ano po yun?
That you get to build a home
Yes po.
full of laughters and inclusivity so that no one will feel the way you felt growing up.
Yes po.
I hope to talk to you soon someday.
Yes po.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much, Papa Jackson.
Tell your husband everything.
Okay po.
Promise.
For sure, kasi hindi niya alam talaga na ito yung sitwasyon na may plano na akong mag-cut ng communication. Kasi even him and Mom are talking.
Yeah, tell him. Okay?
Yes po, I will tell him. Yes po.
Good morning, MJ.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Papa Jackson.